What about the gaming PC? Now, if you're planning to work in industry as a systems administrator or a PC repair tech, you might be thinking, I don't care about gaming. On the other hand, if you wind up in a consumer shop where you're working on computers from ordinary people, gaming's actually a pretty popular use case for computers. There are enthusiasts out there, kids of all ages, as I like to say. I'm a 45-year-old gaming kid. What we want to emphasize here, and none of this should come as a big surprise, CPU, RAM, high-end video, high-definition sound, but high-end cooling, and I'll even throw in power supply. Remember what we learned earlier about the importance of sizing your power supply to your system. I have an iMac and I've done gaming on it, but I find in my experience there are more Windows gamers in the world. Now, yes, if you feel differently, maybe you're a Linux gamer. I'm not claiming to authoritatively state that the majority of the world's PC gamers run Windows. I'm putting this together based on my professional experience and understanding of the CompTIA A+ objectives, okay? Now, the form factor for the gaming PC is interesting. It ranges from the full tower to a portable form factor. And I'm not just talking about a laptop or a notebook computer, as you'll see in just a moment. Potential gotchas are power, as I said, heat buildup, noise, and the technology. The exclamation mark is to denote that the way technology moves, it's so quick. What is a really great video card that gives you outstanding frame rates in your games today may be a dinosaur in 6 months to a year. That's kind of a bummer about being a PC gamer. Maybe that's partly why I became a dedicated console gamer about 8 or 9 years ago. I'm an Xbox guy specifically. Let me show you a couple representative gaming PCs. This is really a good opportunity if you want to get into system building. Maybe you want to build yourself a system and you have the money to do it. You can really build a work of art. Some of the gaming PCs I've seen are not only functional and highly performant, but they have LED lights and liquid cooling systems and clear plastic plexiglass sides that allow you to look in and see all the cool electronics in your computer without actually cracking the case. Now look at right here. CyberPower PC has a small form factor. Well, I hesitate to call this small form factor because it's a full ATX system. But notice that this white box manufacturer has packaged the computer for ultra portability. It's like you're carrying a briefcase. See the handle? And this is fantastic for the use case where you want to take your computer to, say, a LAN gaming party. You could take this and you could carry a sizable LCD monitor under one arm. Those are very thin and very light. And you could have your full gaming rig to go. That's pretty cool, I think.